Afternoon, everyone. We are back with our evening show. So, as you can see, we are here with an interesting article, which we have really great views about. So, sir, would you like to share your views?
No, it's a must-read article on Memorial Day. It's from my friend Tim Melvin. I would post this link, so please do read. It's a 10-minute read. You'll see the importance of Memorial Day. We don't have an equivalent like this in India where we celebrate the sacrifice of our army or defense. This is equivalent to that. So do read that.
Definitely, that's very good information.
So open the SAS terminal.
Sure. We are back with the trading platform.
Yeah, we missed because we were juggling around the short put in the morning, so we missed quite a bit in the. So now what I want to do is open a 16,600 June call. Buy that. Nifty. Buy it at market. I'll tell you the reason why I'm buying this. And open a September as well. Buy 17,000. 17,000 September.
September.
Yeah.
Okay. So call only?
Call, yeah.
So should I?
This, actually, I think we can buy June only. Let's buy 16,700 in June.
Okay. 16,700 June. So should I buy at market only?
Yeah. And move up that short put.
So this one?
No, the 16,351.
Okay.
Cover that.
So at market only?
At market, yeah.
Okay.
Short 16,500 put this week.
This week will give you second June. Okay.
Yeah, sell that. Check how much funds we have.
Around 30,000.
20,000, which is our risk limit. The reason that I did this is the current view is we are very bullish on Nifty. This particular stuff where your low of the day, which is 16,506, greater than yesterday's high. So if you see in the candlesticks, it is called a full gap up opening or full gap up close, where today's candle will be way above than yesterday's high. So now if you look from 2015, and full gap up, right? So full gap up. It's basically today's low is greater than yesterday's high.
Okay. Sir, how long do we expect this rally to continue?
At least for tomorrow open. So I will revisit after tomorrow. So there are about 157 of this full gap ups. So Nifty is expected to open with an average of 18 points whenever this formation is done. And the T+1, that is for 1 day holding, the statistics are 8 points gain, not much. But yeah, so there is an expectation of a gap up opening tomorrow. And Nifty can run up something like 0.6%. So you can, this is average. So 0.5% of 17,000 base, and that would be about 80 points rally. So Nifty, there is a probability that Nifty will rally another 80 points tomorrow. So that's the rationale for taking this trade. I will post some of the option statistics in the options IQ after the show is over, right? So you can check it out on options IQ website. Take back the screen. So yeah, you can share your screen. I stopped it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so the day wise we would have missed at least 10,000 rupees profit.
I recently saw.
Yeah, so we missed 11,000. We should have held one or two calls, but I lost concentration when the margin was not sufficient. So that was a small mistake. Of course, these things do happen, so we can't do anything about it. Let's look at our holdings. Go to the fourth tab.
So approximately everything is up.
There's a one stock which is rallied big, ADF Foods.
Yes, 13.2%.
Yeah, it rallied about 14%. I have no idea. Maybe we have to check the news if there was a good news or something like that. You can go to NSE India. You will see some news on it if it is there. Just put that name, ADF Foods. Come down. Company, corporate information. That's where some news might have been there. Corporate information. On the up, go up. Up.
Okay.
There you can see, right? Trade information, pre-mark, corporate. So there was the investor meet yesterday. So analyst meet. I think there might have been some actions on it. You can open that attachment PDF.
Quite a long one, probably.
Just check. Come down.
Management moderator.
Actually, the transcript, you have to read it. So there might have been a good news from the management, which the investors reacted by taking it up. Actually, there is a business if somebody wants to set up. You can read this transcript and then only post 2 bullet points because it's a 10-page document. So you have to summarize because nobody will have time to read these 10 pages. And of course, if you are tracking about 750 companies, which is what I track, at least from the price point of view, the stocks which I track is go there to the NSE NSE India. You can open a tab, NSE India tab. Vanshika, are you there? Vanshika, are you? I think there's an internet connection problem. So, yeah. So basically, what I was telling is, I would track the NSE total market cap, 750 companies in that index, and if you're tracking them, it is very difficult to read all the transcripts because in a quarter, all those 750 companies have to do all this. So that would be roughly on average 7 companies. Open a tab, NSE India.
Okay. So am I audible now?
You are audible now. You were not audible earlier. Open NSE India.
Yes. So this is the tab that you want me to open, right?
It's now about indices. Indices, market data indices.
So should I check the sectors?
Indices, yeah. So come down to total market.
Okay.
The second one, go up.
Okay. So this one?
No, yeah, that one. So that particular index has about 750 companies. It's very difficult to track all of them in terms of investor meet or whatever. So if somebody can launch a service which is just a two-line summary, whether it's good or bad, probably like sentimental analysis or whatever, that would be very useful service. We do it internally, which I can't release it out to the external public. One thing which is little from divergence point of view is Nifty Bank is not rallying.
Exactly.
In going excessive longs on Nifty. Basically, Nifty Bank has to lead Nifty. That is what my theory is. Today there is an aberration, but anyway, so we are 16,500 short put. Probably will try to take off some profits if market opens with a gap up. There won't be any cues from US because US market is shut.
Okay.
You can just see netwise.
It's showing a profit.
There's nothing, so it is everything is there. Just check any ETFs. So if there are any dip.
So not much. Only gold bees are
Momentum index rallied quite a bit. 5% it rallied. More momentum. Third one.
Third one. Okay.
That one rallied 5%. Nasdaq is not reacting much. It's just up 1%. ITBs rallied a lot. 4% up.
Nice. This one.
Yes.
Okay.
And even your S&P index has rallied 3%. The last one.
Okay.
So basically, there is nothing. I don't have a habit of buying when they're all rallying. Basically, a dip buyer when it comes to indices. So there is no dip today. So there is nothing to buy. And we do have a meetup scheduled in Bangalore this Sunday. So please do RSVP, whoever is interested, to come and for an informal lunch session, right?
Going to be a very interesting event, I'm sure.
Yeah. All right, Vanshika. So we'll come back tomorrow, right? You have a nice day, and I'm winding up the show.
Sure, sir.